Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is March 4th, being Tuesday, 2025. Gunmen abduct Catholic Church priest, Seminarian, in Edo State as police launch manhunt. Before today, it is no longer news that Edo State is the new hub of terrorists. They are in Edo State, they have been terrorizing, they have been doing all sorts of illegal things. Even before they invade Edo State, we warned them that this is going to happen. And step by step, you can see everything that they normally do in everywhere they are going. They have only one kind of strategy, okay? They will go to the farm, make sure that the farmers are not going to farm. They will start targeting at people who has money or people who have organization that can fund them in case they kidnap them. So these are their strategy they are, deploying everywhere they go. Now, Edo State government, they have not been able to, solve this problem, but the governor has reacted to it. The governor has condemned it, time without number. And the people of Edo State, they are just waking up because this thing has not been happening in their state before now. And since it has started, it's like a wake-up call. They are now talking about it every now and then. I think the people should do something because, as I do tell them, that the only people who can solve this problem is the indigenous people, not police, not the government, not the governor, not the army. These people don't have any solution to it. The indigenous people should wake up. The vigilantes should wake up. Now, let us go to the details of what really transpired. Gunmen suspected to be herdsmen have adopted a Catholic priest, Reverend Father Philip Ekeli, and a seminarian, Peter Andrew from St. Peter Catholic Church in Iwukwa Community, Esako East Local Government Area of Edo State. It was gathered that the attack reportedly occurred late Sunday night around 11:30 p.m. According to security sources, the police received a distress call from the chairman of the Police Community Relations Committee, Mr. Ena Ede Gabriel, alerting them that the church was under siege. He explained that security operatives, including members of the Rapid Response Squad, were immediately deployed to the scene, where they confirmed that the priest and seminarian had been abducted and taken to an unknown location. Now, when you are hearing about the priest and the seminarian, for some persons who are not Christian, a seminarian is somebody who is in the school to become a reverend father, okay, or to become an Anglican reverend, I don't know, or to become a pastor. A seminarian is someone who is under training, okay? He's in school, he's under training, and most of the time they send them to housemanship to go and join a priest, follow the priest to do one or two things like a year, 6 months, to learn more about the practical terms of clergy services. Now, the article continues that the source said during the attack, local vigilantes reportedly engaged the gunmen, killing one of the assassins. Out of the article, you see, one of the reasons I always recommend that the vigilantes are the only solution to all this insecurity, because vigilantes are the only one who fight like this thing is affecting me. This is what I mean. If armed robbers come into your community, if you call police, if you are to have double ear or spiritual ear, you will hear the police talking. How far? How is the journey? You should say those people not carry heavy weapon or ammunition, because police will first of all talk about their safety. They won't go directly. Even when they are going, they don't want trouble, because if they die, nobody will take care of their family. But vigilante will fight like, this place is my community. Anything that will happen, let it happen. Let us fight these people. Let us go after them. And most of the vigilante fortify themselves more than the policemen. That is why all these people, they fear the vigilante. They don't fear the military. They don't fear the police. So there are so many advantages why people should just have faith and beckon on the vigilante more than the security operatives. Now, the article continues. It says, however, his body was later deposited in the Gabriel Hospital mortuary in Arene Bode. Now, the body of the person that was killed, one of the kidnappers. Remember that from the beginning, I told you that these people were herdsmen, okay? And when you hear about herdsmen in Benin City, you know whom they are. And killing one person should confirm the identity of the people who were doing that. Now, it says the item recovered at the scene included a mobile phone with 2 Airtel SIM cards, a power bank, a Daja jacket, a bag containing biscuit and sachets of Nescafe tea, 2 pairs of rubber shoes, and 168,860 naira in cash. He added that security forces, including personnel from the Nigerian Army, 195 Battalion, police operatives, vigilante, and local hunters, have launched a joint search and rescue operation to locate the victims and apprehend the abductors. Efforts by Sahara reporters to reach Edo State Police Command spokesperson SP Moses Joel Yamu were unsuccessful, as he neither answered his call nor respond to messages sent to him. This is the story of the new sheriff in town. They are sheriffs in town. Who are they? The herdsmen, the terrorists. Edo State is the new target. So I think this has occurred 11 times now since we announced that they are coming. Not as if we did not tell people that this thing is something that is about to come. If you have been following me, you will understand that I said it. That look at these people are in Edo State, they are in Delta State, they are going to Yoruba land. The South, the Southern governors, they met. They said they want to establish a joint security. Up till now, I have not heard from them. And even though they set up a security outfit today, their security outfit will not be trusted. Okay? I rely on local vigilante. People who are in diaspora, wherever you are, you're a businessman, you have some cash left out, support your local vigilante. Call your village. Tell them that you want to support your local vigilante. Buy bullets for them. If possible, you can ask them how many are they in our village. If they say they are 20, 50,000 times 20 is no more than a million naira. You can release a million naira, give them 50. Support your local vigilante. These people are the only people that can save you in a rainy day. Forget about the police, forget about the military, okay? Because what gave birth to the formation of all these vigilantes is because the police failed, the military failed, all these people failed. This thing did not start today. Before it become holistic like this, it started from the north, spread to the south, everywhere kidnapping. Every now and then, if you hear what is going on in Benue State today now, you will cry. You will cry. So I don't really know, but I'm just doing all these things because I want the people, the indigenous people of every community, every town, please protect yourself. Make sure you work with your local vigilante. Protect yourself. For those of you who don't have money, it's okay. If you have money, go and buy a gun, buy weapons, okay? And make sure you protect yourself. It's not illegal to have a weapon by yourself in Nigeria. It's not illegal. Do whatever you can do to make sure you have, okay? A lot of us, we know what we are doing as well to make sure we protect ourselves, because this thing is not ending soon. It is getting worse and worse. Always visit the Nigeria Bureau of Statistics for you to understand the statistic of evil going on in Nigeria. But for the now, we'll continue to let you know what is going on from around the country.
And I can guarantee you that by the grace of Chukwu Kabiama, the purpose will be fulfilled. Let me tell you this. I agree with you 100%. It's already too late, way too late. Why do I say that? Is that these Fulani irredentists, these Fulani crusaders, all these proponents of Islamic Sharia law, they've invested so much money, so much time, so much energy into it. There's no way in hell they can go back. No, you can take that to the bank. Because it's not just internationally, locally, they've invested so much. I told you that David Cameron pronounced Nigeria an Islamic country some last year, thereabout. It's all part of it. They know these things. Now, another thing is that I look at it in different ways. One is that, the proverb, the adage saying that when you eat with the devil, you always have to carry the long spoons, right? So the Yorubas, they did not carry the long spoon while they eat with these Marudin Fulanis from the Sahel, who are following the commandment of their forefather, Uthman Dafodio. He told them that Nigeria is a gift to them from Allah. So that is the mindset of every Fulani. The Sultan, the Sanusi, the Erufai, just to mention a few, all of them, that is their mindset, that Nigeria is a gift for them, So they are using Islam to conquer it. So why do I say, the thing is this, over the years, the Yorubas, they've been colluding with Fulani Northerners. And they have been enjoying the benefit of Nigeria economically, politically. They're rotating presidency back and forth among themselves. While we, the Southerners, Ndi Igbo in particular, then put us for Gota. Even just one time that a Southerner, Jonathan, came in, they still gang up. These two people again, they gang up and they took him out. He only did one time. Now, So what happened is the Fulanis, to an extent, they feel a little bit disappointed that Yorubas are no longer like not standing with them because they believe that Islam has penetrated Yoruba land so much so maybe it's 40-60% or 50-50 Yoruba Christian in Yoruba land, right? Huh?
Yeah. Almost 70 today, almost 70, but I don't trust the statistics, okay? Because I did not conduct any statistic, okay? I did not conduct any poll.
Exactly. So 70 days, 70 days, Muslim, 70 Christian, 30 or what?
Other Christians are like 25%.
And Muslim, how many?
70%.
Ah! I don't carry call with that.
So, this recent statistics for me is
manipulation too.
Because that was not it even 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 15 years ago.
Yeah. But, hello? You don't hear me, huh?
Yeah, I'm with you, sir. I'm with you.
Yeah. So the thing is, this thing when they talk, it's no joke. People think it's a joke. This is bigger than you can ever imagine. Do you know that the likes of Deboye, all these things when they happen, they know about it. I'm telling you.
They know, but they're not talking.
Listen now, there's a reason. Some years back, Adeboye attended a seminar in the UK where they reached an agreement that Islam was going to be the world religion because that every other religion and politics has failed the world and has failed humanity. So Africa, but Nigeria in particular, because let me tell you, as goes Nigeria, it's like America. As America goes, so goes the world. For the most part. As Nigeria goes, so goes Africa. We know that, the most populous country. So if they conquer Nigeria, but they've all summed it up already, that Nigeria will be an Islamic country. But there's good news, and we'll come to that later. So what happened is that you see this Muslim, like that guy, you play his voice on the ground, they are all, they all lie. In London, there's a guy who is from the Middle East, but he ran away because he saw the light and he discovered that what kind of religion is this? He was just enumerating the things that made him to run away. He said that he's from Lebanon. So he told me, for the first time, he told me about this thing. He said they call it Akea in Islam. He said that thing means lying to people who are infidels, people who you want to conquer. You can tell them anything, you can tell them all the lies just to conquer them and win them over. And if you check the history, that is what has been going on in Nigeria. The Buharis of this world, every time he opens his mouth, is lie. Because according to this guy, he said that in Islam, that is forgivable, is a forgivable offense before Allah. He told me that if you lie to infidel, people who are not believers, to conquer them, destroy them, or win them over, you go and pray to Allah, you'll be forgiven because you are doing it for the religion. Buhari, everything Buhari says about Nigeria is all lies. All this El-Rufai, there's one they call Shehu Sani, who they come out, that one will come out sometimes and be speaking like a liberal Democrat, but these are hardcore Islamic jihadists. I'm telling you the God's truth. He welcome Hamas when they come to Nigeria, telling them that they have friends in Nigeria. That's Shehu Sani. So what am I trying to say is that this whole thing, I feel sorry for people. Nnamdi Kanu was saying it. No, people did not pay attention, but he forewarned them, you have to be careful. This is what is going on, and it has to come. If you don't take a stand, and now it's a little too late because first, they've won a lot of supporters among them, and they've infiltrated the land with their foot soldiers from the Sahel. They are all in the forest, and this guy is telling you about jihad now, that their region is being threatened, because jihad means when somebody tries to prevent you from following your religion, that is jihad. So that is what you're going to see start happening anytime from now in Yoruba land. Because the thing is, again, they continue with this lie. I watched a program yesterday on Channels TV. Okocha, can you believe it? On this Channel TV, though my voice, something they do on background, I don't know whether now from your side or my side, I don't know. You hear me?
No, I can hear you so clear.
All right. So yesterday, I watched a program on Channels TV. There's this Yoruba guy and the journalist. Of course, they are the journalists in Nigeria. They control the media, the Yorubas. And the chicken is coming home to roast. Because in life, what a man sow, that he shall reap. Okay, so this guy, he works with Arise sometimes, and sometimes with Channels TV. He works with that Chamberlain. I think the Chamberlain is South guy or whatever. Now, He was there with another woman, two of them. So they had this discussion on the topic was Sharia topic, right?
Yeah. I listened to it.
Okay. Listen, Okocha. To my surprise, because I followed the program from beginning to the end, the three panelists that were there, they were for Sharia. They were Sharia crusaders, and they call it a debate. How can you have a debate when you have only one side talking? There's no counter. Nobody is countering you. Nobody is speaking for the other side. And Channels TV, they call it a debate on Sharia. That is crazy. Because I listen, like I said, I listen from the beginning to the end.
A rigged debate. That is a rigged debate.
Exactly.
Debate. Yeah.
Exactly. So, and then I turn around and say, oh, wow, truly, Nigeria, oh my goodness, there's no journalism. You are by far a better journalist than what you have in this day Nigeria they call mainstream media. These people, no brain, they are cowardice, they can't do, because the one of the guy of all the three said something, and then I was pinching myself. I was like, so this guy who has been on journalism in Nigeria with Channel and Arise doesn't even know the difference between secular law and and Islamic Sharia law, stuff like that. Nigeria, of course, we call it secular, but it's not secular. Because in the constitution, it gives room for religion, right? Christian, Muslim. So it's a multi-religious state. It's not secular, because secular, like the guy said, which is very right, secular is a state where nobody practice any religion. That is secular.
Any religion, yeah.
Yes. Yeah. But Nigeria is not secular state. So it has always been
multicultural, multi-religious state.
Exactly. So it has always been a battle now between Islam and Muslim over who is going to eventually take over and turn the whole country into one or the other. Because you remember that some years ago, Christians, they tried to bring about Christian religion, the ecclesiastical religion. They refused. They turned it down. Yeah. Now, but as regards that guy who was talking on background, they played the video, and every rest of them, everything they are talking is all lie. Why? Because you see this Sharia law, they say it's Sharia panel, not Sharia court. But the obvious thing is that Yoruba is gone. Because when they eventually get this Sharia panel, you know what the next thing they will do? You know what we follow? You know, Okocha?
No.
It's Sharia police will be the next thing to follow.
Yeah.
So when they now have Sharia police, that one now, Sharia police will begin to walk around the street everywhere, harassing people, how a woman dress, why you shouldn't eat on the Ramadan period, how you shouldn't have a hotel selling alcohol, how you shouldn't do this, this is how they roll. Jesus Christ. This is their signature, this is their template. But I feel sorry. I feel really sad that there are people who do not know that this is their template. This is their modus operandi. They lie to you. They said it's only for Muslim. Really? It's pure lie. Bunko. That the Sharia in Yoruba land is only for Muslim, not for Christian. It's all lie. Everybody knows it's lie. The guy saying that knows that it's lie. Because when they start, they will begin to harass non-Muslims. In the north where they are practicing it, they are killing non-Muslims. Deborah is a Christian, but they killed her.
You understand?
Akaluka, you remember Akaluka many years ago, they cut off his neck because they said that he manhandled Quran. But he's not a Muslim, but they tried him, they forced him into it. As we speak today, go to those states practicing it. They say it's for only Muslim, but you who is not a Muslim, you cannot drink, you cannot this, you cannot that. So how is that not affecting me? It's affecting me. But they will come and lie to Yoruba people that it's only for Muslims. Blah, blah, blah. It's pure lie. I feel sorry. We don't have to waste too much energy on it, because if they fall for it, that is their own problem. Then the good news, like I was telling you, is that it's unfortunate, though, because I know that our politicians, our political elders, those imposed on us, because these people, they don't represent us. They were handpicked by the same Fulani hijacked Nigerian system that aims to Islamize and Fulanize everybody. So they put them in those positions. And who puts on them is primarily the number one person. Because let me tell you that when you hear today, Mustafa Ibrahim Chima, an Igbo man, a Muslim. These are the handwork of Hope Uzodinma. He was using money to induce, to entice some of our youth and send them to Saudi Arabia for Hajj. Hope Uzodinma was doing that. because they Fulani put Hope Uzodinma there. A guy that did not win election, they put him there to do their bidding, and they are doing it. But you know that Ndi Igbos, they are different breed. That is why from beginning they were not able to take a hold on Igbo land. That is why, even though we have mosque in Igbo land, but the time is coming. Everybody, because these people are coming to conquer, to subjugate, and to enslave, take over, begin to plot their emirs everywhere. This is the end game. So that is the good part, the good news, because I can guarantee you that in as much as the governors who are there temporarily, and all these Solu, all these Suzodema, and the Enugu and the rest of them, they are all breeding ground, preparing for what has been agreed upon, the things they signed into before they were allowed to become governors. Why they are doing that, the Igbo youth, 99.9%, Jesus Christ. We are never that you can. So if they want jihad, we will give them jihad. Because we don't make trouble, we are peaceful people, we live our life. But if you want to come and overcome, to impose on us what we are not, it will go down. So that is the thing, my brother. But yeah, I don't know, I think you asked another question, but anyway, let's leave it there for now. So obviously, yeah.
All right, sir.